learn how to make a chain stitch. Firstly, we have to make a knot on the yarn. So place your fingers like this and wrap your yarn around like this. And pull your yarn through the loop on your fingers. Now you can release your fingers and you have your knot. Tighten it. And there it is. You have your knot. You can tighten it by dragging one side of the yarn. Now insert your needle into the loop and tighten it once again. Now we have the base for our chain stitch. We start off by placing the needle over the yarn like this and turn it around and slowly pull it through the loop on the knot. We have our first chain, and then again turn it around and pull it through the loop, first loop. Again turn it around and pull through the loop. This way we'll start getting the loops like a chain. Again we place it on the yarn like this, turn it around, pull it through the loop which is already there. We have 4 loops on our chain. We'll continue to do it till we get a 10 chain stitch, which means 10 loops on our chain. With a little practice, you can get the speed. A chain stitch is the basic for any kind of crochet. So there it is. I did a lot more than a 10 chain. So we have our beautiful chain ready. This is how it looks.